Hello friends, welcome back to in this series of tenses. So today's our video will be, as you know, that is our today's topic is past simple tense. But no, today is the last part of past simple tense, and our last part is 11. Okay, so in the part number 11, and to this will be last number. So we have learned the past simple tense with regular verbs and irregular verbs, and also we have learned the situations, and also we have learned some common errors, and also we have learned the spellings. Okay, we learned everything in the past simple tense. So I hope that is you have understood it very well and you have watched my previous videos. Okay, so in this last part we will just review. Okay, review means that is we'll just see the conclusion. Okay, what we have learned, and also we will review it for a while. Okay, so first of all, here, we have learned this. So here I have given an example with regular verb and an irregular verb. Okay, so here regular verb is here. Play is the base form of the base form, and it becomes the played in the past. So here I can say he played, he didn't play. So one is positive, same like here. One is positive and negative, and third number is question form. Question means that is that is positive form of question, negative form of question. Same like irregular verb. Okay, so we can repeat that. So by this we can understand. So he played, he didn't play. Did he play? Didn't he play? So now repeat this with me. They wrote. They didn't write. Did they write? Didn't they write? So by this you can make more examples by following this, because as we know you can say that is you can use the some regular verbs, okay, which is generally used in our daily lives. Okay, and also you can I have just written to one regular and irregular verb to make you all understand, but there are more. Okay, there are more irregular verbs, regular verbs in the book. You can check on the book, you can find out the words, then you can say. So by following this, we have already introduced this part in our previous part, in our previous parts of the videos. Okay, and we learned the past simple tense step by step. So by following these, you can also make the WS questions. We know about this. We can make that is we can make the WS question, that is where do you live? Where didn't you live? Why did you do this? Why didn't you do this? How did you do this? How didn't you do this? Okay, so here by this you can make more WS questions by following with regular verbs and irregular verbs in both ways of the question, that is positive form and a negative form during past simple tense. Okay, so here we have already understood and the conclusion here, and that's it. It's our today's video. So it's the last part of the past simple tense. Okay, so our journey about the past simple tense is finished, but it isn't ended in your life. Okay, what can you do here? So you know that is we had been reviewing the past simple tense, and also we learned by step. And also I hope that you watched my video very attentively, and also you make more examples and understand it. So what are the tasks for you? That is, you can say some topics. So okay, write about something. What did you do? By using past simple tense, both ways, regular and irregular verbs. Write about your friends, what happened in his life. Write about your yesterday's daily life. Write about your family member situations that you faced. Okay, write about your school function. Okay, so try to write many types of topics. So if you write this, then you can understand that is which words do you feel, do you have, do you feel easy, and which things do you have is still difficulties. Then you can find out. And if you didn't watch my parts of past simple tense, so you can go to the playlist and just see, and also stay tuned with me. I hope this, and just and on the time, and on the other hand, you can read the books, you can find out the words, and also you can find out the words that is regular and irregular verbs, and try to apply in your daily life. By this you can get knowledge, and then your mind will be boosted. Okay, your mind will be boosted. So by this, your speaking English will be fluent as well. So by using the past simple. Okay, so this was our journey about the past simple tense. So I hope that is you have liked our videos. So stay tuned with that. And next video, we will start the past continuous tense. Okay, so that's it. So today's video is ended, and bye for now everyone, and see you in the next video.